Hey guys, so this video is another SAT question solution, and this one is about 10 hard advanced math section questions. And so let's begin. I will try to provide simplistic solutions so that it will be easy to understand. And I have collected 10 hard question. I'm not saying these are the hardest question, but they are from the hard section, and I've tried to pick different kinds and different types of questions from different topics, non-linear functions, exponentials, and stuffs like this. So I hope these 10 questions are helpful and you can learn something from the video. Let's begin then. First question. The function g is defined by gx equal to modulus of x by a minus 14, where a is greater than 0, means a by a is equal to minus 1. Since this is a concept or theory, what is the product of g15a and g7a? So modulus of 15a by minus a minus 14. First we're using 15a, which is minus 15a, 15 minus 14, which is minus 29. Again, this time we'll use 7a inside modulus, and again minus a, and minus 14, which is minus 7 minus 14, which is minus 21. So therefore minus 21 into minus 29 into minus 21 is, since their product is asked, it will give a positive answer. Just use your calculator. So that is question 1. Question 2, what is the positive solution to the given equation? So let's first simplify this part. This is 4 minus x modulus is common, so it is 5. 4 minus x modulus is 25, or mod 4 minus x is equal to 25 by 5. So 4 minus x can be plus minus 5, so this is 5. 4 minus x equal to minus 5, or x equal to 9, or again 4 minus x equal to 5, or x is minus 1. This is not applicable in this question as they've asked for the positive solution, so therefore x equal to 9. Question 3, function f is defined by fx equal to minus a to the power x plus b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equal to f has a y intercept of this. The product of a and b is this. What is the value of a? A and b are constants, y is this. Okay. So what we can see is y is equal to minus a to the power x plus b minus 12, and we have something given here. So now we'll use this. So something to the power 0 is 1, we know this. or minus 75 by 7 is equal to minus a to the power 0 plus b minus 12, or this is 1, so minus 75 by 7 plus 1. I'm so sorry guys. So plus 1 plus 12 is b, or b is 7 plus 1 plus 12. I've just shifted it to the left hand side, and b is 16 by 7. Now ab is 320 by 7, or a into 16 over 7 is equal to 320 over 7. Cancel out, and a is 320 by 16. 320 divided 16 is 20. So we found the value of a. The next question, For what value of x is the given expression equivalent to this? So something, let's say root, this is this, and this is equivalent to a to the power x by n. This root value comes in the denominator of the power, so this is one theory we need to know. So we'll use this here, right? We will use the same thing. So 70n whole 1 over 5 into 70n whole of 2 over 6. This thing is 70n 1 divided 5 plus 2 divided 6, which is 8 over 15. Now this is told to us to be equivalent to 70n 30x, means since these are equal, the powers should be equal too. So 8 by 15 is equal to 30x, or x is 8 by 15 into 30. This should be x 8 by 15 into 30, so which is 4 by 225 is the given expression where n this, so that is the value of x. To the next question then, the expression this is equivalent to the expression ax squared plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? Let's expand this. So 3x minus 23, 19x plus 6 is 3 into 19, which is 57x squared, plus 18x minus 437x minus 23 into 6, which is 138, or 57x squared, 18 minus 437 minus 416x minus 138. This is equivalent to ax squared plus bx plus c. Therefore b equal to minus 419. So that is the solution to that one, right? Yes, that looks correct. Question number, okay, I forgot the count, but okay, this is the next question. This is the given expression can be written as this, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? Okay, so we are taking something common. What if you take common from here? So 0.36, let's do a trial and error. So 0.36 divided 4 is 0.09. So if you take a 0.09 common here, then you should have 0.36 divided 0.09, which is 4x squared plus 7x plus 13. So from this equation, by this elimination process, we have seen that this is the thing common, and therefore a equal to 0.09. Right? Next question. The graph of the function is defined as this, is shown in xy plane. The function g not shown is defined by this. What is one possible value of a such that this? Okay, so we'll just put in place of x, put a in place of x, right? So minus a plus 10 is equal to minus, so they've asked for one possible value because it's a quadratic equation, so this should give two answers, but we have to select one possible. Okay, so minus half a minus 4 whole square plus 10, or we'll take the minus common here, a minus 10 is minus half a minus 4 whole square plus 10, so we'll cancel out. So we're taking the minus common here as well, so it's a minus 10 here, minus half plus 10, so now it's a minus 10 is equal to half a minus 4 whole square. Actually, what have I just done here? I don't know, but I didn't need to do this. So we don't even have to do this. So it's half, so just cancel these things out, and it's 2a is equal to a minus 4 whole square, or a square minus 2 into 4, 8a plus 16. is equal to 2a, or a squared minus 10a plus 16 is equal to 0. Just use your calculator to find out the value or the solutions. Therefore a equal to 2 or 8, therefore let's say equal to 2. That could be one of the answers. Next question. The function f is a quadratic function where f minus 20 equal to this and f minus 4 equal to 0 is a quadratic function, and these are the values of x for which the solution is equal to 0. So we'll have something like this: x plus 20, x plus 4. Now break this equation down, which is x squared plus 24x plus 80. Now on the graph of y equal to fx as a vertex, this what is the value? So just equivalence this, which will be put r in place of x. So r squared plus 24r plus 80 is equal to minus 64, or just solve this, plus 24r plus 44 equal to 0, or is there any other vertex? So 124, 144, so it's x plus 12 whole square equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 12. So that should be your solution. Next question. For the function f0 equal to 86, for each increase in x by 1, the value of fx decreases by 80%. What is the value of f2? How many questions do we have? Okay, we just have, okay, let's do this one first. This is the easy, this looks easier. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression this? Okay, so x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus this. So we need to find something in terms of this to bring this into play. Okay, this was actually an MCQ question, but I just picked it up because it felt interesting. X squared minus, if we take the minus common, then c squared plus 2cd plus d squared. If you break this down, it's again will give you this. Now this thing is c plus d whole square. Does that make sense? So x squared minus c plus d whole square. Now we can place a in place of this, as I was talking about, or this is equal to x squared minus a squared. This can also be equal to x plus a or x minus a. So that is our solution to that one. Now we will do the last question for, sorry, what am I even doing? This thing takes so much time. For the function f0 is equal to 86, so it is 0, 86. That's a coordinate for a function f. For each increase in x by 1, the value of fx decreases. So when this becomes 1, so when x is 1, the y value is 86. So this is one coordinate. But when it increases by 1, so 1 to, it becomes 0 to 1. So fx decreases by 80%. So it decreases by 80%. Decreases. So 100 minus 80 by 100 into 86. So into 86 is 0.2 into 86, which gives us 17.2. What is the value of f2? Now use it to make an equation. So it is, so the gradient is 17.2 minus 86 by 1, which is again 86 1 minute by 80%. Okay, this is actually an exponential question. 1 minute. So what they've asked is, what is the value of f2? They've asked us for the value of f2. Just the problem with this. So they've asked us for the value. Okay, for f2, right. So this became that. The next time what it will become for 2 is again 0.2 into 17.2. That's all. We don't even have to make an equation for this. So 3.44. Therefore f2, because this told us that for each increase of x by 1, the value of fx decreases by 80%. So that is 3.44. So that is all the questions here. I hope that video was very helpful. I did try to make all the solutions easy and understandable. Yes, I did get stuck with one question. I just lost the flow that it is saying by increase of 1. So you don't even have to make the equation in that question. So the next video will be coming, and it will be hopefully on either statistics, 10 questions from statistics, or geometry or trigonometry. So definitely, as I always say, stay tuned and peace.